guys, this is going to be a review on the MX Squared, which looks like that. So the MX Squared is a modification or a variant of the RSVP MX, and so let's get started with the review. First of all, I'm just going to start off by saying that this does cost twice as much as a normal RSVP MX, because you need 2 HGGs and 2 RSVPs. So that is going to add to the cost a little bit, but I think that it works a lot better than the MX. So it's going to be a little bit longer than your normal MX, so just keep that in mind. It's like maybe a centimeter longer. It's not a big deal. It's barely longer. But just keep that in mind if you're going to make this mod. This mod is even more customizable than the normal RSVP MX, because if you've noticed, you can see that I have some rings there from grips and some rings in the cap actually, so right up there. And I'm just gonna say that I made this mod a little differently than you're supposed to. I didn't use super glue on the grips up here. I used part of a Bic barrel to keep the grips in place. But other than that, so now that I've gone over what it looks like, let's talk about how it spins. It is a little more balanced, and it's a lot heavier actually. It still is a little bit cap heavy, so keep that in mind. It's very not noticeable though. If you're used to spinning MXs, this is going to be very good. It's more balanced, a little bit heavier, which some people might like, some people might not. But yeah, it's pretty much just a heavier, slightly longer, more balanced version of the RSVP MX. And yeah, so last thing is that this was mentioned on a UPSB thread, that you can have a good spinning effect. If you've noticed while I'm spinning, you can see that there's white there and white there, so you get kind of a Kamsa-like spinning effect, and some people like that. I personally like that because it makes it seem, I don't know, just gives your spinning a better aesthetic. So yeah, that's going to be the review, guys. I'm just going to go over it again. More customizable, more balanced, heavier, longer. And yeah, so as you probably figured this out by now, but you can put in an insert because it's an RSVP barrel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, leave any suggestions in the comment section down there. If you thought that this video was helpful, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.